From the Kolkata studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on the debate.
Arnab Goswami on the debate at 10, powered by Safari.
Less than 33 hours from now, the first vote will be cast in Bengal. In the course of this campaign, we have seen violence and the worst form of name calling. Both sides are guilty of lowering the discourse. You can decide who is responsible more after this. Let's debate.
The discourse in Bengal has crossed all limits. And there's a new controversy in almost every speech. And it can't get any worse. Across parties, questions are being raised. And communal references too. Anything is passed off as a campaign speech for a few votes. Should all sides pull back and introspect, or is it too late to do that now? Let's debate.
Okay, we've got a starting one-on-one versus one with Dilip Ghosh, President of the BJP in Bengal, versus Subir Bhaumik, senior journalist. Mr. Ghosh, the Trinamool Congress very upset, and people are also commenting on your Bermuda comment. You said that, talking about Mamata Banerjee, you said, if you want to display your legs via sari, wear a pair of Bermudas so everyone can have a look. I mean, what kind of language is this, Dilip Ghosh? Would you speak this way to any other woman? Why would you speak like this to the Chief Minister? Why should you decide what Mamata Banerjee should wear or not wear? This Bermuda comment was completely unnecessary. Even if you were trying to appeal to your audience, it was completely unnecessary, Mr. Ghosh.
बिल्कुल सही बोला आपने, कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है इस प्रकार चुनाव चर्चा होना चाहिए विकास पर। बंगाल में बहुत सारा इशू है। मुझे लगता है ममता बनर्जी के बारे में जो चर्चा हो रही है वो अननेसेसरी है, और जो इशू वो उठा रहे हैं वो भी ज़रूरी नहीं है, क्योंकि उनके ऊपर इशू नहीं है। 10 साल उनको मौका मिला, उन्होंने लोगों का विकास का जो मन में इच्छा था उसका पूरा नहीं कर पाए, इसलिए वहाँ से इशू को घुमा करके दूसरी तरफ लेके जा रहे हैं और इस प्रकार नाटक कर रहे हैं। तो मैं इसका क्लैरिफिकेशन देना भी नहीं चाहता हूँ, ना इस पर चर्चा करना चाहता हूँ। इसी विषय आ जाती है कई बार जो नहीं आना चाहिए चुनाव के समय। मेरा कहना था कि हमारे बंगाल में महिलाएं साड़ी पहनती हैं।
बरमूडा वाले कमेंट पर, बरमूडा वाला जो कमेंट आपने किया, क्या आपको लगता है कि ये कमेंट गलत था, जरूरी नहीं था? और शायद आपको, अगर आप आज इस बात को, अभी मैं आपको, जैसे आप रैली में आपने बोला, क्या आपको लगता है आप वहीं पे उस रैली के लोगों के को देखकर आप इससे प्रभावित हो गए ज्यादा, कि आपने ऐसी बात कही? कि आप रिग्रेट करते हैं कि नहीं ये बरमूडा वाले कमेंट को? इसको मैं खुलकर आपसे पूछ रहा हूं, क्या आप इस बात पर आप
इस प्रकार इशू नहीं आना चाहिए?
बहुत लोग आपत्ति जता रहे हैं इस पर,
ये इशू नहीं
ये बोलने के तो आपने क्यों कहा
हो
फिर
सकता है।
बरमुडा वाली बात क्यों कही?
इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं थी, मैंने पहले बोला इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं थी, लेकिन इशू तो विकास के जगह पैर पर आ जाता है ना। मैंने इतना ही बोला था कि हमारे महिलाओं के बारे में मन में श्रद्धा है, इनसे जिस प्रकार व्यवहार हमें चाहिए वो नहीं होता है, इसका मैंने प्रतिवाद किया। आज भी आपने देखा होगा मैंने ट्वीट किया है, ममता बनर्जी ने जिस प्रकार शब्द प्रधानमंत्री के बारे में व्यवहार किया है, तो राजनीति और चुनाव का स्तर यहाँ तक नीचे आ गया है। वो किसी के लिए अपेक्षित नहीं है, विकास पर होना चाहिए।
कौन सा शब्द?
हम अपने सरकार आगे क्या
कौन सा
करेगी
शब्द?
लोगों के लिए,
कौन सा शब्द?
73 साल तक नहीं
कौन
हुआ, उस
सा
पर
शब्द?
केंद्रित कर रहे हैं। नहीं, जो प्रकरण चल रहा है, जिस प्रकार आप चर्चा करने जा रहे हैं, मैं उस तरह जाना नहीं चाहता। बहुत सारा विषय है, हमने जो मैनिफेस्टो रखा है, संकल्प पत्र, उसके आधार पर हम चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं। लेकिन जब हद हो जाता है किसी बात का, आप देखिए, मैं खुलासा करता हूँ, किसी का पैर में चोट लगा, बड़ी दुख की बात है, और हमने तुरंत बोला इसका सीबीआई इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए, जबकि हमारे ऊपर वो आरोप लगा रहे थे हमने मारा पीटा, लोगों जाकर उनको धक्का मारा। बाद में उन्होंने स्वीकार किया कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है। उसको लेके पूरा बंगाल में हंगामा हो गया, रोड जाम हो गया, भाजपा का ऑफिस पर आक्रमण हो गया। भाजपा का क्या संबंध है किसी का चोट लगने से? उसको चिकित्सा होना चाहिए, ट्रीटमेंट होनी चाहिए, अच्छे डॉक्टर दिखाना चाहिए, और सीबीआई इंक्वायरी करना चाहिए। पुलिस पर भरोसा नहीं है सुरक्षा के लिए तो सेंट्रल फोर्स लेना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए था। लेकिन उसको कहाँ कहाँ खींच के ले जा रहा है,
इंक्वायरी की जरूरत क्यों है?
मैं उस पर
किसी के पाँव में चोट लगे तो उस पर सीबीआई इंक्वायरी, नहीं, आप सीबीआई इंक्वायरी की मांग क्यों कर रहे हैं? सुबीर भौमिक, दिलीप घोष, सीबीआई इंक्वायरी। मैं उनसे पूछ रहा हूं कि सीबीआई इंक्वायरी क्यों?
इसीलिए
ममता बनर्जी के पाँव में चोट लगी तो सीबीआई इंक्वायरी। कल दिलीप घोष कहीं गिर जाए, भगवान न करे कहीं आप कहीं गिर जाए, या सुबीर भौमिक गिर जाए, मैं गिर जाऊं, तो सीबीआई इंक्वायरी होगी उस पर। आप नहीं, यू कैन कम इन। नहीं, सीबीआई क्यों?
See, Arnav, you will remember.
You can come in. You can come in. Mr. Ghosh is listening to you.
Yeah, okay. Arnav, you will remember that the day this happened, this, Mamta Banerjee ka chot lagna and all that, I was in the studio with you, and that very day I told you in no uncertain terms that as far as I am concerned as a journalist, this is not a story. This is not a serious story. Somebody is hurt. But, the way it was blown up, threat, war, attack, I never believed it. And I told you that very day that, we media people are also sometimes guilty of unnecessary playing of something just because somebody important has said some rubbish stuff. Is my job as a media person to be a postman, to carry somebody's post from here to there? Am I supposed to, carry every damn shit? I'm sorry for using this language that these people come out with. So my point is very simple.
Language, Subir, the language.
Yeah, right. Understand. But effect of the season. So the thing that I'm trying to tell you is that I never took Mamta Banerjee's injury as an attack and as a threat. And finally that came true. So, just for the sake of rhetoric, if somebody plays up something, I think we as journalists are supposed to judge the claim at least on face value. And it was quite obvious that this was not an attack by the BJP, not at all. Because any attack would be much more serious, would have much more serious consequences than what she said.
No, but Subir Babu, you will also accept. You will also accept some of the language that Mamta Banerjee has been using. Odol Kutkut,
Now the point
Naka
is,
Chondi,
today,
then now
No,
Shala.
right.
She has used the word Shala
I,
in her address today. This kind of language. Thappad maro, kobor din, dhong korche, mittebadi, Naka Chondi. I mean, if I tell you the translations of all these words,
no,
I
understand.
I get a
I
feeling
don't
that
think
she's...
much of Bangla. Arnav,
No, this was not how it started.
Let me,
No, but where are the issues? Shubhita, where are the issues? Mamta Banerjee, what issues is she raising in the debate? She's only abusing the other side.
two things. Arnav, wait. There are two things, two very redeeming features of this Bengal election. Bengal's election has always been fought on serious issues and serious political issues. This election is looking like a circus, not only because of the language used, and the terminologies and the nomenclature
Dilip Ghosh.
used, but with very little focus on actual political issues. I understand that both political parties have come up with manifestos, but where is the debate on
I want to
manifestos?
ask,
Today, my friend Sharmishta Gupta has also written in Times of India that this is the first time, not only, two things. A, the language, the political circle. Secondly, this season, the kind of defection we have seen in Bengal has never happened before. In Bengal, this Ayaram-Garam political culture did not
Dilip
exist.
Ghosh.
People who are communist or Congress,
Dilip
they
Ghosh.
were communist or Congress for life.
Dilip Ghosh,
This
do you
season,
accept that? क्या आप इस बात को मानते हैं? Okay, thank you, Subirda. Thank you. Let me get a response from Dilip Ghosh to that. Dilip Ghosh ji, एक मिनट, Dilip Ghosh जी, क्या आप इस बात को मानते हैं
जी बोलिए
कि बंगाल के इस चुनाव में आपने भी, सुबीर भौमिक कह रहे दोनों तरफ से कोई मूल मुद्दे सामने नहीं आ रहे, क्या आप मानते हैं आपने भी ऐसा किया, या आप पर भी दोष लगा रहे हैं कि आपने भी मूल मुद्दे सामने नहीं रखे?
देखिए, हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी, गृह मंत्री जी, राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी और बहुत सारे बड़े नेता आ रहे हैं, उनकी भाषण सुन लीजिए आप। हम किस पर चर्चा करें? हम सोनार बांग्ला पर चर्चा करने वाले हैं। हर डिपार्टमेंट में तरक्की होनी चाहिए। जो लोग बंगाल के 10 करोड़ लोग पिछले 73 साल से जिस बातों से वंचित रह गए हैं, चाहे रोजगार हो, चाहे शिक्षा हो, उद्योग की बात हो, हमारी संस्कृति की बात हो और महिलाओं की सुरक्षा सम्मान की बात हो, इस आधार पर हम राजनीति करना चाहते हैं। हमारे मैनिफेस्टो में वही है। लेकिन आज विकास को छोड़कर टूटा हुआ पैर के ऊपर राजनीति होने वाली है क्या? चुनाव होने वाली है क्या? उसी को लेकर चलेंगे? तो इसका हमने तंज किया है, तो करना चाहिए। लोगों की हंसी मजाक की विषय बन रही और मुख्यमंत्री से हम इस प्रकार व्यवहार नहीं चाहते हैं। यह बात हमने उठाया है। मैं ज़्यादा विस्तार से इस पर जाना नहीं चाहता हूँ। हम चुनाव को विकास की तरफ मोड़ना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर हमने चुनाव जीता है। कई प्रदेशों में हमने चुनाव जीत कर सरकार चला रहे हैं। वहाँ हमारी एजेंडा देखिए, प्रधानमंत्री ने स्लोगन दिया सबका साथ सबका विकास, और उस राह पर चलकर लोगों का विश्वास भी हमने जीता है। हम बंगाल में भी उसी विकास यात्रा को लाना चाहते हैं, बंगाल को उसी यात्रा में जोड़ना चाहते हैं, जो कि बहुत साल से तरस रही बंगाल विकास के लिए और विकास के राह से छोड़ करके दूसरे तरफ भटक गई है। पिछले पार्टियों ने भी वही किया। आज जो हिंसा और भ्रष्टाचार अब देख रहे हैं बंगाल को, वो कांग्रेस से लेकर के सीपीएम होकर यहाँ तक पहुंची और चरम पर पहुंची है। इससे बंगाल के लोगों को निजात देना हम चाहते हैं, केवल बीजेपी दे सकती है।
जो 2-3 ओपिनियन पोल्स आए हैं, तो एक ओपिनियन पोल तो कहता है कि आपको 110 सीट मिलेंगी, 110 के करीब टी वोटर की पोल थी, और एक कोई पीपल्स पल्स की पोल है, वो दिखा रही है कि आपको 183 सीट्स मिलेंगी। तो 110 से 183 का जो है रेंज चल रहा है। मुझे लगता है दोनों, क्या आपको लगता है दोनों के बीच कहां पे होगी? मतलब व्हाट इज योर इंटरनल असेसमेंट? आप वो 200 वाला नंबर मत बोलिए, वो तो पॉलिटिकल स्लोगन है। रियलिस्टिक फिगर क्या है?
देखिए, आपको पॉलिटिकल स्लोगन लग सकता है, लेकिन हम जो बोलते हैं वो करके दिखाते हैं। और 183 के नीचे या तो 140 के ऊपर हो, कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है। कोई प्रिडिक्शन नहीं कर सकते क्या होने वाला है। ठीक है, ये एक पद्धति चल पड़ी है, एक सिस्टम बन गई है चुनाव की, वो होता रहेगा। चैनल वालों को भी कुछ दिखाना चाहिए, लेकिन हम तो जो रियल पोल होगा 2 महीने के बाद जो उसका रिजल्ट है उस पर भरोसा करेंगे। हम 2019 में हमारे मुख्यमंत्री जी ने स्लोगन लगाई थी 42 में 42 सीट चाहिए, और हमारे माननीय राष्ट्र अध्यक्ष थे माननीय अमित भाई ने उस समय बोला था कि 22 सीट चाहिए, पहले 21 बाद में 22, और हमने स्लोगन दिया 19 में हाफ और 21 में साफ। अब देखिए हम कहाँ खड़े हैं, रिजल्ट कहाँ है। पॉलिटिकल स्लोगन हो सकता है, उसको हकीकत में उतारना हमारे कार्यकर्ताओं का काम है, और हम लोगों ने जी जान लगाया, उसका रिजल्ट आया है। और इसीलिए हमारे नेता ने जो टारगेट रखा है उसके लिए जी जान लगा रहे हैं हम। वातावरण उसी तरफ जा रही है। 1-2 फेज का चुनाव के बाद आपका खुद अनुभव आएगा कि परिस्थिति क्या है। आज ममता बनर्जी की जो बात आप सुन रहे हैं, बुखलाई हुई जो बात अनस शनस बक रही हैं, ये हताशा के कारण है। उनको मालूम है उनका जीतने का दूर दूर तक कोई चांस नहीं है, और भाजपा जो बोलता है वही करता है। हमारे कार्यकर्ता जी जान लगा देते हैं। 137 लोगों की बलिदान हुई है राजनीतिक हिंसा में, और कल भी वो घटना हुआ है जिसके प्रतिवाद आज हम कर रहे हैं। तो इसीलिए किसी को लग सकता है, कोई जरूरी नहीं जो ओपिनियन पोल है वो ठीक है। अभी तो सब पर्चा भरा ही नहीं गया है, सबका कैंडिडेट डिक्लेरेशन भी नहीं हुआ है अभी तक, इसीलिए खेल तो शुरू नहीं हुआ है। और हम अपने रणनीति के आधार पर आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। देखिए, कोई आपके यहाँ जो होंगे रिपोर्टर को पूछिए ग्राउंड लेवल पर क्या है, गांव-गांव में लोग क्या चाह रहे हैं, और वो भाजपा की तरफ ही ट्रेंड आ रहा है। मैं आपको वादा करता हूँ 2 अप्रैल से देखिए, 2 मई तो बहुत दूर है, 1 अप्रैल का 2nd फेज का चुनाव का पोलिंग हो जाए, उसके बाद सारा साफ हो जाएगा। टीएमसी कहीं मिलेगा नहीं खुद ढूंढ के आपको।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। देखिए, हमारे रिपोर्टर ने, हमारी इधर 400 मेंबर की रिपब्लिक बांग्ला की टीम है, 100 से ज्यादा रिपोर्टर और कैमरा पर्सन हमारे पास हमारे ग्राउंड पे है। हमें भी बिल्कुल खबर है और पकड़ भी है जो हो रही है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दिलीप घोष जी। और दिलीप घोष जी ने जो कहा, आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू व्यूअर्स, फेज 1 एंड फेज 2, 27th and 1st are 60 seats. If you superimpose the 2019 elections at a assembly level, BJP won 44 out of these 60 seats. If the BJP therefore gets more than 45 plus seats in the first 2 phases, the BJP is strongly in the game in Bengal. This is my own assessment. It's not an opinion poll. It's my own assessment. अगर आप, मेरा assessment है कि अगर आपको 45 से ज्यादा सीटें मिली पहले और दूसरे चरण में, तो फिर आप बहुत स्ट्रांग पोजीशन पे है बंगाल में. दिस इज माय असेसमेंट. तो मे बी वी शुड टॉक आफ्टर द फर्स्ट. सुबिरदा, दिलीप घोष, थैंक यू वेरी मच. धन्यवाद बहुत आप दोनों को. थैंक यू. I want to open up the debate with Shatarupa SK Datta on one side and Gargi Nandi, Rakhi Mitra, Namrata Kothari, Pradipta Mukherjee, Khalid Ebadullah, Subhajit Naskar and Subir Bhaumik is continuing on the debate. Big debate here right now. Okay. What kind of language is this? Look at the language, Pradipta. Shala. I mean,
Yeah, do you think
I don't want to keep saying it, but if I don't say
over
it,
the constitution, over
no,
the
if I don't
judicial
say it,
system?
yeah, everybody wants to come in. Let Pradipta come in first. Pradipta comes in. Pradipta comes in with Shatarupa right at the start of the debate. Yes, Pradipta and Shatarupa. Yes. Pradipta and Shatarupa
Do you
first.
think Mamata Banerjee is over the constitution?
This language.
Mamata Banerjee is over the constitution. Mamata Banerjee is Odisha judiciary. If not, then why any action hasn't been taken up until now? The action must be taken. And if the language is not that much
Action.
derogatory, then
Oh, so
then
you're
BJP
saying, okay,
must
one minute.
learn the lesson.
Pradipta, I heard you. Pradipta, I heard you.
No, all I
Shatarupa,
can say
Pradipta, I heard you. What you're saying is,
Honorable-
what you're saying
Honorable,
is,
all I can
if the
say-
BJP has a problem with Mamata Banerjee's use of the word shala, they should take her to court. You're saying if the BJP has a problem with language, take her to court. What
Not
is
in
this?
the code, but also the
We'll take each other to
Exactly,
court
See, there is a
for using this
an
language?
election commission
Unrealistic.
should take stringent action.
no.
Election
no,
Commission, it's
May I?
decency.
I've been hearing.
Shatarupa.
I'm appalled at the kind of language that the Honorable Chief Minister can use. But this is something I can't even repeat because she keeps on saying Bangla nijer meke chai. All I can tell you, Arnab, Bangla ei rakom meke chai na. Je kothay kothay shala bole, je kothay kothay hodol kutkut bole. This is ridiculous. Ki what you said naka chondi. This is something that is street language, urchin language. I am not demeaning anybody, not even the urchin on the road, but the Honorable Chief Minister, who considers herself to be
So,
Banglar Gorbo,
Didi is-
her
now
Anuprerona,
now, Didi,
her,
you are
she
arguing
Bangla
against
nijer
BJP,
meke
na?
chai.
Then you are
This
arguing also
is
against
not the
BJP.
language expected
You are
from
also
Banglar
arguing
mein.
against BJP. You are arguing against Shayantan Boshu. You are arguing against Dilip Ghosh. The language used by Dilip Ghosh, the
He's
language
talking
used
to
by
me.
Shayantan Boshu
Why
and
should I
others.
argue
You
against
must
my own
listen
party?
to the language.
My party doesn't use bad
Language
language.
used by Dilip Ghosh.
And my
Yeah.
party doesn't use
Okay,
very
opening
good
up.
language.
Opening up, I want Gargi Nandi to come in right now. Gargi Nandi will come in. Calm down, everyone. Everyone calm down. I can't have everyone together. Khalid Ebadullah.
I think there is a
Khalid and Gargi Nandi are on the debate right now. Khalid and Gargi Nandi only, please.
broader perspective
Khalid, can you hear me? Khalid, can you hear me? Khalid, can you hear me? Khalid, can you hear me?
Mr.
I want Khalid on the right, please. Everyone calm down.
Yes,
Yes,
I'm
Khalid, let me.
Khalid, please. Khalid.
Start.
What
Okay,
kind
now
of
Khalid and Gargi Nandi are on the debate. And now I'll ask the
What
question,
kind
now
of
that both of you are
language
positioned on both sides of the debate. My question to Gargi Nandi is, Gargi,
because it
yeah, the language of Dilip Ghosh, if you want to display your legs via sari, wear a pair of Bermudas so everyone can have a good look.
I'll tell you how. No, I
think
He
this
just
could have
apologized
been
for
avoided.
it. He said it may not have been appropriate. Did you hear him right now?
Yeah. This comment could have been
Dilip Ghosh,
avoided.
what
This comment should have
language
been
he is
avoided.
using,
But
I told
I
Shobit,
feel what he
the
wanted to
Bengal
mean is,
people
you know,
are
because
already
there was a
rejected him.
blatant exhibition
And
of the
the-
plastered leg.
when
The blatant,
second
because
May
it
will come,
seems so deliberate that
result will
the
be
plastered leg was shown in every
totally changed
meeting of
in
Mamata
favor of the
Banerjee,
Mamata Banerjee.
and I think that's the reason he wanted to draw some analogy, and that's why he said. But the comment could have been avoided. It is not an appropriate comment, but what I feel he wanted to mean that if she is so deliberately showing her plastered leg, then why not she wearing a Bermuda? Maybe that's what he wanted to mean, but I honestly feel that that kind of a comment should have been avoided. Yes, it should have been avoided.
Don't
Yes.
say, madam, don't
It should
say
have been
like that
avoided. It
because
is not
what
appropriate.
Dilip Ghosh
But it is
is
nothing
using,
compared to Hodol
what type of
Kutkut and
language he is using,
Shala
I
and
don't
Tui.
so think
Please.
the Bengal
You know,
people
Bengalis
are,
who live outside Bengal, we feel
Bengal,
ashamed because
they are
5 states
humiliation-
are going
they
to
are
the
humiliating
poll.
to
And the
Bengal
level
people.
of political discourse, what is in Bengal? Please. এই খেলা হবে আর চাই না এই হিংসার
Yes,
খেলা
of course
রক্তের
খেলা
খেলা
হবে।
এই অশালীন
Of course খেলা
ভাষার
হবে।
খেলা
I
আর
agree
চাই
that
না
of course
বাংলার
খেলা হবে।
বিকাশ চাই
After
বাংলার
second May,
উন্নতি চাই দাদা
after second May, I hope the khela will be clear and you will get the result in the favor of Mamata Banerjee, Trinamool Congress, 219 seats in the third terms to Chief Minister.
And
Yes.
Dada, what Sheikh Alam said today.
Okay,
it is
Subhajit
highly
Naskar is coming on the
commendable.
debate right now with Rakhi Mitra. Rakhi Mitra and Subhajit Naskar. Subhajit supports the left.
No, listen.
Subhajit backs the left. Subhajit. Subhajit and Rakhi Mitra, please, one at a time.
Wait a minute, others, please, wait a minute.
Subhajit and Rakhi Mitra. Subhajit first.
Arnab, you asked a
Talking about the foul language. Talking about the language, right now I am in Nandigram. Do you know?
Rakhi, wait. Let him finish.
Wait a minute. Arnab, I think you asked a very, very pertinent question to Dilip Ghosh, the state BJP chief. And I must say, this is the same Dilip Ghosh who also commented such disgusting, misogynist comments on the Jadavpur University female students and called them behaya. And I give it back to Dilip Ghosh. Dilip Ghosh is a serial behaya. I am telling it and repeating it again. Dilip Ghosh is a serial behaya. BJP in their Sonar Bangla Sankalpa Patra, they are promising that they will be giving free education to the women students from KG to PG. And this is the BJP chief of Bengal who is also aspiring to be the chief minister if they win this election. And he is commenting such misogynist comments on a sitting chief minister. I may not support BJP.
But he also expressed his regret on it. But he also, Subhajit, now, to be fair, Rakhi Mitra responding. He also expressed his regret on it, Rakhi Mitra. Thank you. Rakhi Mitra is on the debate right now. Rakhi Mitra and Namrata Kothari are on the debate. Rakhi Mitra and Namrata Kothari, let's keep it moving fast. Rakhi Mitra.
That is the difference between BJP
Rakhi Mitra.
and TMC.
And you're conveniently avoiding all that the Trinamool said.
When you asked him that do you
What
No, I'm not avoiding it. I have heard the song that Trinamool is playing. Chor, 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 Shishir Odhikari.
I think he apologized.
This is the song they are playing in Nandigram. This is the song these cheap TMC people are playing. Chor, 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 Shishir Odhikari, Chele chor. They are calling upon his father like that. That is the chief minister's party. I'm here in Nandigram every day. I'm hearing that song. So do not please talk to me about the language of the chief minister who dares to call our prime minister Shala. And this is not new. Even in 2014 she had said, Oi beta ke komore tori bele anbo. If people have forgotten that, I'm reminding people, it was in 2014 that she had said,
Looking the politics.
Can you translate that? Can you translate that, Rakhi? Can you translate what he said earlier?
Shishir, chor, 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 Shishir Odhikari's Chele is chor. They are talking about Shubhendu Odhikari. That is the song playing all over Nandigram. That is the language. Chief Minister approves that language. When she is talking about Shishir Odhikari, does she know his family background? How important they are in history? She doesn't know because she doesn't care about history. And
The
history
same
will also not
language,
remember her.
now they are using the same language in favor of them.
Where did you hear this language? I heard this language. I'm hearing it since the last 3 days.
Yes, Didi, the same language your party used against Shubhendu Adhikari few days back when you were there. He is not in your party. The same language BJP used against Shubhendu Adhikari.
That does not.
SK Datta, I don't think so.
Arnab,
No, I don't think so.
Arnab, I'm appalled by the language which the Honorable Chief Minister of Bengal she uses, and this is nothing new. She keeps on saying all this. In 2019 also we had seen. She had said toderke dekhe nebo, khela hobe. Now she's saying shala, she's saying hodol kutkut. Then on top of that she says Neka Chondi. When she says Neka Chondi, actually she is insulting Goddess Durga. She is insulting Ma Chondi. First and foremost, she doesn't know how to do proper Chandi part. And now she's saying Neka Chondi. In 2019 Lok Sabha election, what did she say about the Prime Minister? About Honorable Prime Minister? Eke to ami pathorer rosgulla pathabo. Eke ami matir lal mohan pathabo. Jate er duto tinte jai. This is the kind of language which Mamata Banerjee uses for the Honorable Prime Minister. And today she has crossed all limits by saying Shala. What does she mean by that? I think a person from Bosti or from Islam also doesn't speak that kind of a language which the Honorable Chief Minister is speaking. And she's threatening the voter of Bengal. Thela hobe. Thela hobe. Are ki dhoroner thela hobe? What kind of thela are you talking about? Toderke dekhe nibo. Thela hobe. This is nothing. This is cheap intimidation to the voters, that if you don't vote for TMC and if you dare to vote for any other party, then I'll see you. Toderke dekhe nebo. Toderke dekhe nebo means I will see you. Thela hobe. Thela hobe is a kind of an intimidation. And what does she mean by Neka Chondi? Does she have the courage to say the same thing about Prophet Muhammad? Does she have the courage to say the same thing about Prophet Muhammad?
Please, thank you very much, sir. I'm going to Shatrupa is on the debate right now. Shatrupa is on the debate. Shatrupa on the left, please. Thank you very much. Shatrupa is on the debate. Anand, please, I said Shatrupa is on the debate. Shatrupa is on the debate, wanting to say something here. Monsters, demons, Duryodhan, Dushasan. This has gone too far.
Not only the words she uses,
this has gone too far.
Entire body language,
What
her
Mr.
face,
our
the
Prime
gesture
Minister
she
Modi,
makes, her eyes,
Mr.
the
Prime
detonation,
Minister, our Prime
the
Minister
tone that she uses,
is speaking.
the intonation that she
Didi,
uses,
oh
everything
Didi,
is absolutely
what is this?
appalling. It is
Can I
absolutely
expect from
street
Prime
artist
Minister?
style. And
Can
now
I
she's
expect
saying,
this
আমার
word
যে
from
পাটা
Prime Minister?
খোলা আছে,
Mr.
আমি
Arnab,
সেই পাটা দিয়ে
can you
shot
tell me,
মারবো,
can I
লাথি
expect
মারবো।
from the Prime
This is
Minister
the worst
to the
possible
Didi,
abusive
Didi,
language that can be
Didi,
expected
oh
from the
Didi,
Honorable
what
Chief
is this?
Minister.
This is language
What is she
using
bringing
our
Bengal
Prime Minister.
to? Jai Bengal is the land
Mr.
of language.
Mr.
Bengali language
Our
is
Prime
supposed
Minister
to be
using
the sweetest language. And Shai
cannot expect this language from
Chief
Prime
Minister
Minister.
is
It
talking
is
such rubbish.
I totally
Who does she
disagree.
think
I
she is?
condemn this language because Modi, our Prime Minister, is using Didi, oh Didi. What is this? Can I expect this language from our Prime Minister?
Honorable Prime
He is
Minister
an
does not
Indian
use
Prime
any
Minister, not
abusive
Bengal
language.
Chief Minister. Or
He
not,
is
he's
calling
fighting,
out to Didi. Where is the abuse there?
I don't
No,
think that's
he
abusive, is it?
He is
vulgar
using,
language
he
here.
is using
The one
like
word
the language.
that the Honorable Prime Minister has used.
I don't agree
Name
because
one
no,
word. No,
he is
you
the
name
doctor of
one
Prime
vulgar
Minister.
I don't
word.
think so.
He
একটা
is our
বাজে কথা
Prime
আপনি
Minister.
বলুন যে
I
প্রধানমন্ত্রী
cannot
বলেছে।
expect language from Prime Minister. Didi,
One word.
oh Didi,
You
what is
can
this?
name
What
just
is this?
one
No, the Prime
word.
Minister has
And
not
I will
used
take
any
it
abusive
from
language in the
that.
campaign.
Tell me,
No,
what's the
not-
Honorable
I'm
Prime
not
Minister
telling.
said
Can I
about the
expect
Chief
language?
Minister?
Oh,
One
Didi,
word, tell me.
Didi, what is this?
একটা কথা
What is
বলুন
this? This
আপনি।
is the
One word.
expectation from the
আরে
Prime
দিদিকে
Minister.
ডাকবে না তো কি আপনাকে
I
ডাকবে?
don't know because he is after all Prime
দিদিকে
Minister.
প্রধানমন্ত্রী দিদিকে
in
ডাকবে
India.
না। দিদি is an abusive language. You agree Didi is an abusive language?
Neighbor,
You come
she
to the
always
point.
using
You tell me, is
civil-
Didi a vulgar language? বাংলায়
No,
কাউকে
never,
দিদি বলে
never,
ডাকা।
never.
dramatic.
He is a dramatic actor, or he is a prime minister. Can you tell me?
He is not a dramatist.
So he's addressing.
Prime Minister is
Khalid, one second. Why don't you look upon it reasonably? Why don't you, no, 1 second. 1 second. The Prime Minister of India, allow me Khalid please, the Prime Minister of India, who's been called Ravan, Danav, Daitya, Ekachondi, and some other politicians are called Hodol Kutkur, Chala, Kobordin. No, and you have a problem. You have a problem if the Prime Minister says Didi oh Didi. He is, I would argue here. I want Gargi Nandi to come in. Gargi, I would argue here. I would think there's a misunderstanding here. The Prime Minister is addressing the Chief Minister of Mamata Banerjee, who is his political opponent. And by saying Didi oh Didi, he's only articulating what he feels are the relevant questions and directing them at the Chief Minister. I don't think that's abusive.
No, not at all. Didi is something you address a woman in Bengal. And she's everybody's Didi. Mamta Didi is everybody's Didi. So addressing her as Didi is not abusive, please. But what she's saying, that Shala, Tui, Hodo, I mean, we are shocked, Arnab. I live in Mumbai and it is shocking when others say the kind of language your Chief Minister is using. It is shocking for us, Arnab. And talk about the Sheikh Alam thing. Sheikh Alam.
Central government didn't take any action against her.
Dilip Ghosh has
Why
regretted.
election commission
Will
is
Sheikh Alam be
actually
sacked
not
from the
taken
party?
no action?
Please say.
Why?
Please say, will Sheikh Alam be sacked?
Sheikh Alam
He
bite
has
there.
insinuated
If
a
this
violent
language
massacre.
is abusive,
Please.
if those language are unconstitutional, if those language are non-constitutional, then BJP must go to the court, judicially must take the stringent action, election commission must send the so-called letter to
I'll
her.
be specific.
Why
This
any
comment
action
of Sheikh
hasn't been
Alam.
taken yet?
Will they fight the political
You are
battle
shooting
on
off the
the
EC's
ground
shoulder,
or
but you
go
don't
to
even
the
believe in
court
the
for
EC.
every little thing? It's not possible. But please, for the respect of the Bengalis across the world, kindly correct your language because it reflects our education, our culture. We boast of our Bengali background. I boast of my Bengali culture and language. So please stop it.
Do say some words against some BJP leaders who are saying such comments, who are posting any comments in Facebook or so on. Please do spare some word against them also. Do spare some word
I
against
said
those
maybe
BJP
that
leaders.
Bermuda comment should have been
Those
avoided.
media
But Dilip Ghosh
spokesperson-
regretted for that. But it meant something because don't you feel, sir, that there is a deliberate
No, so I'm
Okay,
insinuation
I'll get
of the
Subhajit
government.
back with.
That is, can we
I'll get
also avoid
Subhajit
it?
back.
Don't try to
I'll get everyone, calm down please. I'll get Subhajit back. I'll get Subhajit back with Rakhi Sarkar. 1 minute please, Rakhi Mitra, 1 minute please. Is that comment please there, that Sheikh Alam comment?
Well, Arnab, the Sheikh Alam's
Yeah,
comment on
nothing.
Pakistan.
I don't think the Prime Minister has used a single abusive word. I put that question to Subhajit Naskar. Subhajit, please tell Shatarupa one word the Prime Minister has said so far, or Amit Shah has said so far, or Rajnath Singh has said so far, or Smriti Irani has said so far, which can be construed to be abusive. No, tell me one word any of the BJP leaders have said so far which can be seen to be abusive.
Arnab, I think action
So
speaks
one-sided-
louder than their words. Arnab,
Besides the Bermuda comment.
Let me, sir, complete. Please, Arnab, please give me 30 seconds. Arnab, I think what I believe in is that our politics can be. What a minute! Don't make it a fish market. Don't make it a fish market. Give me a chance. I didn't interrupt you. Please give me a chance. I didn't interrupt you.
Fish, F-I-S-H, fish.
Yes, of course. মাছের বাজার বানিয়ে দিয়েছেন আপনারা বেঙ্গল পলিটিক্স কে বড় বড় কথা বলছেন বড় বড় কথা বলছেন আপনাদের সাজে না এটা ইউ নো দ্যাট আসাম বিজেপি ক্যান্ডিডেট said that the beef is the national dish. Is this the comment that BJP ministers and BJP chief and prime minister
আপনি বাংলার কথা বলুন, আপনি বাংলার
will they
কথা বলুন,
accept this?
আপনি বাংলার কথা বলুন, এখানে ওখানকার কথা বলে কোনো লাভ নেই। আপনি কি সোজা প্রশ্ন আপনাকে করছি, এখানে ওখানে কথা বলেন, আপনাকে লেফট রাইট করতে দেবো না আমি। এমনি কথা বলছেন আপনি, এই আপনি যা মনে আছে আপনি বলছেন। আমি বলছি আজ অব্দি আপনি বললেন আমাদের প্রধানমন্ত্রী একটা নোংরা কথা বলেছেন, প্রধানমন্ত্রী বা অমিত শাহ
বলতে চাই, wait a minute, give me
বা
a
প্রকাশ স্মৃতি ইরানি
Arnab,
একটা নোংরা কথা বলেছেন? Have they used one abusive word?
Arnab, wait a minute.
একটা পর একটা কথা বলেছেন?
That Arnab, I am very proud of the
Brother,
fact
you should
that
be proud.
Republic English,
তবেই
I am
আপনি
proud
কথাটা
of
মানতে
the
ইচ্ছে
fact
করছে
that
না।
Republic English has brought Sheikh Alam's comment. I am very proud of the fact that Sheikh Alam's comment is being condemned by Republic English and it is being brought in. But Arnab, what you are not showing is this, that Subhendu Adhikari also said something, and this is on record, that অঞ্চলে ছোট ছোট পাকিস্তানিদের তৈরি করা হচ্ছে in Nandigram. Do you think that is true? নন্দীগ্রামে ছোট ছোট পাকিস্তান তৈরি করা হচ্ছে?
হচ্ছে
Who
না,
said this?
হচ্ছে না। You have a mayor
হচ্ছে।
who said
If
on
that is,
public
why don't you
on
send
air
CBI?
that here
Why don't you send
Philippines become
CBI?
mini Pakistan.
Why don't you send
হচ্ছে
NIA?
না,
Why
পাকিস্তান
don't you
এখানে-
send CBI? Why don't you send
এখানে
NIA?
পাকিস্তান
Why don't you
করছে
send
না
CBI?
আপনারা?
Why don't you send
Can you
NIA?
deny
ওদের
that?
নন্দীগ্রামে পাকিস্তান তৈরি
সত্যি
হচ্ছে
কথা
আর
বললে
হচ্ছে না।
গায়ে লাগছে।
One
Why
question.
why you are not sending NIA? Why you are not
ওই
sending
জন্য
CBI?
আপনাদের শালা বলতে
Why
হচ্ছে
you are not
মাননীয়
sending?
প্রধানমন্ত্রীকে।
Why you are not sending?
সেটা আপনি
When it
আমার
is
contact
Subhendu
করুন।
All right,
Adhikari,
now I want to play the comment of.
Subhendu in the last year was Subhendu.
I
Chor
want to
because
play
he
the
took
comment
money
of
in Naroda
Sheikh
School.
Alam, please. If I can play the comment of Sheikh Alam, please. Anand, do we have it?
Also, Arnab, you are
Anand, do we have the comment of Sheikh Alam, please? We have the comment of Sheikh Alam.
International comment.
Okay, we are listening to the comment of Sheikh Alam, the Trinamool leader. Please see what he says. Please hear what he says. Let's play it.
And this is also very
Let's
problematic.
play it. I have a few more seconds. Our production team is saying 10 more seconds. The comment will be there. Viewers, Sheikh Alam, who's a Trinamool leader, has gone on and said that if 30% come together, then they can create 4 more Pakistans. Now, I'm not making this up. He said it. Now, I want to play this up.
Which was envisioned by
তারা 30% আর তারা যারা আছেন তারা 70%। সেই 70% নিয়ে তারা গদিতে আসবেন। লজ্জা করা উচিত। আমরা যদি 30% লোককে সারা ভারতবর্ষের 30% লোককে যদি একদিক করে দেওয়া হয়, 4টা পাকিস্তান তৈরি হবে। একটা পাকিস্তানের বিরুদ্ধে আমরা ভারতবর্ষে যতগুলো মুসলমান আছি, সংখ্যালঘু আছি, তাদেরকে যদি একটা দিক করে দেওয়া হয়, 4টা পাকিস্তান হবে।
Now, if 30% come together, we can create 4 Pakistan.
Should be arrested for
Okay. Now tell me, he's a Trinamool leader. He said this with a Trinamool banner.
Should be arrested.
Huh?
I strongly condemn this.
No. What action has Trinamool taken against him? What action has Trinamool? No. 1 minute. Is this the first time a Trinamool leader has talked about creating a Pakistan, mini Pakistan?
What position did he hold? What position did he hold? Do you know what position did he hold in Trinamool Congress?
How হচ্ছে বলে এগুলো? How dare they?
What did Firad Hakim say earlier?
And you people are condoning that?
Exactly, see. Exactly how dare he? And why election commission didn't take any action against him? He must be booked. He must be booked. He must be sentenced to death.
What do you mean election commission, for God's sake?
Must be booked.
Okay, now we have
And
SK
what
Datta also
position
on the
did he
debate.
hold?
SK Datta is making a comeback on the debate right now. This is not the job of the election commission. It's for Mamata Banerjee to take action against the specific leader.
Yes, and TMC
Why you are not showing
It is
Where
the
does the election commission come into
responsibility
this?
of Mamata Banerjee ji to take
What
action
promote
on
to action has
this.
the Trinamool
But
Congress taken in
Didi
this
will
specific
not
case?
take action on this or not.
See, first of all,
Didi
whether
is
the
not
video
going to
is,
take action on
fake or
this
not, you
because
have to check
Didi
that first.
herself
And then
justifies all this.
whatever the man
Do
is
you
saying,
remember
he is in a
when the
position,
Rohingya
he is
issue
holding
had
such
come
any
up?
important
What
position
did
in
Didi
TMC?
say?
Thank you. Now on the debate, it's Subir Bhawmik on the left. Subir.
Rohingya
Subir on the left. Subir.
When the leader of the party can say all these kind of things, what can you expect from the foot soldiers? The foot soldiers will move ahead
Yes,
and
Subir
they
da.
will march ahead and they will
Subir da,
say
you know what's
3
happening in this
Pakistan,
election.
4 Pakistan, 5 Pakistan.
Subir,
Because
please.
Didi herself, she
Up.
justifies all this.
After Namrata finishes. Subir and
This
Namrata.
is not election commission. He should be booked for sedition. This guy should be booked for sedition. How dare
NIA
and
should
he
book
should be
him.
reminded.
NIA
he
should
should
book
be
him and he
reminded
should be sent
that
to
this
jail.
is the 50th
He should be
anniversary
sent to jail.
of
And election
Bangladesh's
commission should
independence.
send a
Thank you.
letter to Mamata Banerjee. Asking
Let me say, this champ should be booked for sedition and should be reminded that he thinks of making 4 Pakistan. He should be reminded this is the 50th anniversary of Bangladesh's independence, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is flying there as the guest of honor. Sheikh Hasina has invited him, and the whole country is celebrating the breakup of Pakistan. So जो पाकिस्तान एक बार टूटा है वो 4 बार फिर टूट सकता है.
Yeah.
Remind this guy.
Arnab,
Remind
yes,
this guy. He should be booked for sedition. He wants to break up India into 4.
Yes, Arnab, I agree with Shubita.
There will be an
Yes,
independent
I
Baluchistan.
want to make a point.
There
Yeah,
will be an
Shubita.
independent Pakhtunistan. Look at the movement of the Pashtuns. And there will be separate Shia Gilgit-Baltistan. So this joker is living in a fool's paradise. He's talking against the run of history. He wants to break up India into 4. His grandfather did not succeed that, and his people who will come after him can't do that. So let me remind this joker to read history or to look across that this day is the day when Pakistan started Operation Searchlight, a catch and kill campaign against the Bengalis of East Pakistan. 1 लाख मार दो साले ठंडा हो जाएंगे, 2 लाख मार दो, 30 लाख मार दिया, अलग मुल्क बन गया साहब, ये बंगाल है. इसलिए ये जनाब को ये याद दिलाइए कि बंगाल में मिट्टी में खड़े होकर हिंदुस्तान तोड़ने का बकवास ना करें.
Exactly.
This is sedition. He should be booked for sedition. No election commission, nothing. Straightforward. The national security
Arnab,
law
I second
says
Shubita's
that he is giving-
opinion.
he
Yes, he
is
should be booked for
Kal-
sedition.
Did he?
He should be,
He
Arnab,
should
let
be
me
booked
tell
for
you.
sedition. He is saying he
Shubita, I
will
want
break
to
up
add something.
India into 4
Shubita, I
parts.
want to add something. Please, Arnab, you
He
know,
should
my
read the Home
father...
Ministry report that in Northeast, 80% reduction in violence, insurgent violence. All the groups in Northeast are coming on the table. The border accord has happened. Who is this joker? He's saying India will break up into 4. I
And
want to
it
see
is
this
scary
guy.
for us. Shubita, let me add something. Arnab, I want to say something. Hello, Arnab, am I audible?
চামড়া তুলে দাও।
Arnab, am I audible?
এত বড় সাহস।
Yes, Gargi.
Yeah, Arnab, I'm audible, right?
Yeah, you are. Carry on.
Yes. Arnab, I want to say that I'm scared to hear this because let me tell you, my father was a 9-year-old boy when the partition happened. So they had come from Bangladesh. I have grown up hearing the horrors, the stories of horrors of partition. So I think it's a clot. Partition was a clot in the Indian history. The history of India is one thing can be altered if it will be partition. So my father was a 9-year-old and I always heard, when you have everything because of land, house, establishment, and someday you are saying that this is not your country, you come to another country. I know. My father and his family was a Hindu refugee, so I know, Arnab. So this is scary. Sheikh Alam should be booked for sedition. I support Shubita and he should be arrested and he should be sacked. And this Nanur has a history of massacre. Arnab, don't forget the massacre.
So far, why no action?
When CPI massacred 11 landless laborers in Nanur.
I'll play the bite again, viewers.
11 landless laborers were massacred by CPI.
Bangladesh, which Sheikh Hasina
This
empowered
person
there,
wants
she
to
does
repeat
not
a
tolerate
massacre. What is
terrorism.
he insinuating at? Isn't he insinuating at a riot and massacre?
बांग्लादेशी के कौन
We demand Mamata Banerjee sack Sheikh Alam.
He should be sacked and he should be
I want to play the bite
arrested.
again, the controversial comment.
He should be
Hear it again.
arrested for sedition.
Hear it again.
বাংলাদেশে গিয়ে কথাটা আমরা যারা সংখ্যা নেব তারা 30% আর তারা যারা আছেন তারা 70%। এই 70% নিয়ে তারা গদিতে আসবেন, লজ্জা করা উচিত। আমরা যদি 30% লোককে সারা ভারতবর্ষের 30% লোককে যদি একদিক করে দেওয়া হয় 4-4টা তৈরি হবে। একটা পাকিস্তানের আমরা ভারতবর্ষে যতগুলো মুসলমান আছি সংখ্যালঘু আছি তাদেরকে যদি একটা দিক করে দেওয়া হয় 4-4টা।
Khalid, why is Sheikh Alam not been sacked? Is there any action against Sheikh Alam? Is there any action against Sheikh Alam so far, Khalid?
We'll take the action. Definitely.
Is there any action so far? No. Let me hear Khalid.
The High Command will take the action. Definitely, High Command will take the action to the Sheikh Alam.
When?
But I don't agree with that. We are an Indian. We are not a Muslim or Hindu. First, we are an Indian. So
Shatarupa on the
we
left.
have to be in India. Definitely,
No,
High Command will
don't-
take the action
She's talking
No, no,
about
why no action against him? Inaction is complicity.
This is the result of the pampering of the appeasement policy of Mamata Banerjee.
What they are
This is the
talking,
result.
Bharatiya Janata Party,
And she's going to pay for it on the
totally,
2nd of May.
totally they are using
And she's saying
the
what?
religious
High command is going
division.
to take action.
Totally,
No high
they
command
are
is going to take
totally-
action. She's going to
No,
sit
no, no,
with
madam,
one foot out
আপনি
of her.
বললেন যে তারা বাংলাদেশ করতে চাইছে। আমি আপনাকে বলি, আপনারাই তো শুধু এটা চেষ্টা করছেন ডিভিশন করে। You are trying to divide the Hindu and Muslim. You are totally dividing. Bharatiya Janata Party wants to divide the Hindu Muslim. That is main motto to Bharatiya Janata Party.
The respect, the honor of being an Indian citizen. We are not dividing.
Listen, madam.
You people are
আপনারা
dividing.
প্রত্যেকটা লোক
You people are playing
শুধু
divisive
ধর্মে নিয়ে
politics.
রাজনীতি করতে চাইছেন। মমতা ব্যানার্জি
আপনারা জামাই
never
আদর
wants to
করেছেন।
divide the
আমরা
religion
normal
or
citizen
any
এর
But this is
সম্মান
not,
দিতে
who's
চাইছি।
using this card?
We want
Pradipta is also on. Pradipta. Pradipta and Rakhi Sarkar.
উনি চাইছেন সব সময়
Pradipta and Rakhi Sarkar. I think there needs to be an explanation on why Mamta has not taken any action against Sheikh Alam, the leader who wants the creation of 4 Pakistans. The leader who wants the creation of 4 Pakistans.
Do you know Sheikh Alam hold any political position?
Whoever he may be, why don't you sack him?
Sheikh Alam hold any political
They
position?
will not.
Whatever be the case is.
Of course.
Today,
Who was he campaigning for when he spoke there?
Anubrata Mondal has already said he is nobody to politics. Who is nobody to Trinamool Congress? This person should be booked and sentenced for lifetime.
Arnav, today while returning from Yogi Ji's
Gargi,
Sabha
no.
in Nandigram South, just hear me a second. There were small kids, just like Kashmir. They were standing by the side of the road while we were returning from Yogi Ji's Sabha, and those small kids, 7-year-old, 8-year-old, they were abusing the Prime Minister. Their parents were sitting there and they were watching the fun. And this is how they are turning West Bengal into another Kashmir. I saw it today. That is the reason I'm telling it on your show.
Okay, one sec.
How small kids were abusing the Prime Minister using...
No, but even, I'll tell you, Rakhi, even Shuvendu Adhikari, 1 minute. Even Shuvendu Adhikari said something to the effect, I don't remember the exact words there, but he said something to the effect that we don't want Bengal to become Kashmir. So he was also making, a sort of a communal remark there by trying to indicate that Bengal will become a Muslim majority state. So the religion card was played by Shuvendu Adhikari as well. So you can't pretend to be completely innocent in this. No, so don't.
অঞ্চলে পাকিস্তানিদের তৈরি করা হচ্ছে। শুভেন্দু অধিকারী said this on
By the way, I want to tell you all one thing.
অঞ্চলে পাকিস্তানিদের তৈরি করা হচ্ছে।
Now, by the way, I want to tell you in all this, if there are pictures of Mithun Chakrabarti, if there are, okay, let me bring it to a more pleasant subject. Mithun Chakrabarti viewers, I want to run full frame pictures of Mithun Chakrabarti. We must talk about it before we end the program tonight. I mean, what a man. This man, forget BJP, Trinamool and all. Just look at the way he stormed into the campaign today, almost the last day of campaigning for phase 1. And if we have the pictures there, he's on the road campaigning for the BJP. If you saw the pictures there, you have the pictures, please? Anand, can we play the pictures? Mithun's making you nervous. Just look at this. No, look at this. The incredible show in Bakura. Thousands of people engulfing him all ways out there. Crowds cheering him on. Incredible. Mithun Chakrabarti, he was among the prominent faces protesting against the left-run regime's land acquisition in Nandigram and Shingur. Right? Mithun Chakrabarti, Trinamool Congress had used him to kickstart the campaigning in Delhi ahead of the 2014 general elections. Mithun Chakrabarti, right? He's no quote-unquote outsider. He's a registered voter in the Kashipur-Belgachia Assembly constituency, campaigning and vouching for the BJP. And Mithun Chakrabarti, the sway that he has over voters was absolutely incredible. These are some of the pictures of Mithun on the campaign trail. Pradipta, you've got to understand, this man has a pull. He's got a pull. You can't deny it.
Yes.
And he's all over the campaign right now. Big star. Big star, Pradeep.
When Subhash Chakraborty died,
He's not a Bohiragoto, no? He's not an outsider, no?
Mithun Chakraborty.
You won't start calling him a
Campaign for
Bohiragoto, no?
Romola Chakraborty. But Romola Chakraborty didn't win. Sujit Bosu won. Sujit Bosu won. You know that fact. You know the fact. Sujit Bosu won. Romola Chakraborty failed to won.
And I want to correct the TMC person who said that Sheikh Alam does not hold a post. Sir, Sheikh Alam, with all respect to you, Sheikh Alam is member of block committee of TMC since 2011. He's very close to Anubrata Mondal.
He
and
must
he
be
was
booed.
campaigning
He
for
must be sacked
TMC
from the party.
candidate Bhivan Maji.
He must
So
be
what
sacked
are
from
you
the
talking?
party.
He doesn't.
He
Since
must be sacked
2011.
from the party.
2011, he's a block committee member.
Now we are
He was
talking about
campaigning
Mithun
for
Chakraborty.
Bhivan Maji.
We are
And
talking
he's
about
very
Mithun
close to
Chakraborty.
We have a hard stop on the debate, viewers.
That says what?
So he
We
has
have a hard stop on the debate. I think the Trinamool should take action against Sheikh Alam. I think the Bermuda comment was not required. I think the abuse that's been thrown by the Trinamool is also not required. And we have the first phase of campaigning. Viewers, I want to tell you one thing. Follow the elections on Republic English, Republic Bharat, and of course Republic Bangla, with a promise to see you tomorrow sharp at 9. Good night for tonight and goodbye.